Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is going to be all about the wonderful benefits of Jade, the wonderful healing energetic benefits of Jade, a little bit about the historical uses of Jade, and a little bit about the geology of Jade, all in a concentrated video. So Jade is a wonderful gemstone that has a beautiful light green to dark green color. It's very energizing, it's very youthful, and it's very fresh as well in its energy. So it's basically the name is given to two different stones that are coming from China and Central America. We've got nephrite and jadeite, and these are very similar in structure and they're used in similar ways as well. For example, jade is beautiful. It's a stone that's mostly associated in various shades such as pale to vivid green, and jade is usually cut into smooth shapes. And it can also be carved as well, easily carved into beads, statues, and other shapes as well. When it comes to buying jade, you have to be quite careful because it can easily be tricked into buying artificial jade, and this is where you have to be careful. So in terms of the sourcing, the top quality, great authentic jade comes from the area of Myanmar and Guatemala, and the main deposits of the other type, which is nephrite, are found in Canada, Australia, the USA, and Taiwan as well. And in terms of the historical uses of jade, it's actually been considered as a royal gemstone for China for more than 4,000 years, and artifacts of jade have been placed in tombs of the emperors as a symbol of their power and their wealth as well. In Central America, jade was also considered to be one of the most sacred stones of the Olmec, Mayan, and Toltec people, and it's carved into masks and sacred relics as well. And jade is very popular in Europe in the 16th century, when beautiful artifacts became available and they were bought from all over Central America. Now, in terms of the healing benefits of jade, jade is believed to help to bring balance to the emotional states, specifically when it comes to people who are highly sensitive, because it's believed to help in calming the heart, soothing away anxiety, and jade is often used in healing to bring the energy of unconditional love and peace on the heart chakra area, and it's very nourishing as well, and it's believed to be caring for the spirits. We've come towards the end of our video today. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.